So, I love music, and if you're anything like me, you might have run into this before, where you're just sitting one day and thinking, hey, the songs from that era were so good. And so I created this app, and you have to enter the date in this format right here. So it's year, month, day, and I just entered today's day, but 24 years ago. That's when I was born. And we click enter right here. It's retrieving the songs from Billboard Top 100. Notice how the enter button is disabled while I'm doing this, and it's running on a separate thread. So this part is going to take a bit. I'll just skip ahead. Okay, done. And you can see here it says check your Spotify. You notice here that the button is enabled again, so if I want to run it again I can. And what we do now is just we go to Spotify right here and we open up Billboard Hot 100, and you notice the date here is 2011-21, the same one that we entered into our program. And notice here it's created this playlist right here with the same name. And let's take a look, right? Look at that. Independent Women, Destiny's Child, With Arms Wide Open by Creed, Kryptonite by Three Doors Down. They got the wrong song right here. We got a different song by Pink. That's fine, I guess. We scroll down, there's exactly 100 songs in here. 100. And Treat Her Like a Lady, Change Your Mind by Sister Hazel. It gets some songs wrong sometimes, but that's because I'm searching via code, and so it picks the wrong songs sometimes. And yeah, there you have it. It's a pretty good application, I'd say. And now you can just share this playlist with your friends, maybe make a mixtape for them, things like that. It's pretty cool. You could even make for a birthday gift, you know? Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. There's a link to my Git in the description below. Please check it out. Have fun.